my name is Alicia from Tri-County Metals, and you're watching Showcase Our Specialties. And today, this segment is on the scheduling department. So the scheduling team, everyone jokes, we are the chaos coordinators.
Our scheduling team kind of puts everything together. We do the sales, we do the production, we do everything, and scheduling pulls it all together and gets it ready to go out to market to the customers.
3 ways the scheduling department helps our customers is accuracy, help and verify orders day to day to make sure your orders are on time and complete. Number 2 is our internal customer support. We're always there to help. And number 3 is our route optimization.
We utilize many different delivery vehicles. We've got, our regular trucks, our semi trucks, our express delivery vans. So there's a lot of parts and pieces that go into that. And the only way to effectively maintain that 99% on time complete is to have a department that's focused solely on that.
The scheduling group has a key amount of attention to detail. So we are there to be the last line of defense when a sales order is put through for the customers to make sure that their projects are on time and complete.
They'll get notification the night before, they get notification the day of, they get notification 30 minutes before we drop it, they get notification after we drop it.
Let's talk about awesome. If you don't have awesome, you don't have Tri-County Metals.
For me, I'd rather us be telling them what's going on than us fielding phone calls and then have uncertainty of when's my order coming or was it delivered or not. So we just try to be proactive and overserve the customer.
Next day deliveries are huge for Tri-County Metals.
The defining moment of what we do is the service and how we perform to the end user. And looking at what we could do to increase that level of professionalism and what do the customers actually need, and they need the product when they need the product. And so that's when we rolled out next day delivery. And so with next day, it's pretty much all of our exposed fasteners. If they need it, they can call us usually by 4 o'clock and get it the next day delivered. And that's something that's unheard of in the industry we're in. It's actually been more of a success than we thought it was going to be, to the point that we have to continually look at scheduling. Again, it gets back to scheduling and why we need the scheduling department, because if we're offering next day delivery, there's a lot of turns. So in order to do that, we had to reshuffle the way we ran absolutely everything.
And that's in part to the awesome scheduling team.
So it was a huge amount of investment to do that, time, restructuring, and everything else, but we felt it was important.
One key aspect for Tri-County Metals is innovation, and we're really excited to see what the future holds.
So what makes our scheduling department awesome is the personal connection that we have, the speed that we do things, and the accuracy we have while we do those things.
You've been watching Showcase Our Specialty. I'm Alicia. Catch you next time. Tri-County Metals, make your next roof your last.